you're thinking of creating videos, perhaps you're a fellow YouTuber, the quality of your audio plays a huge part in your videos. If you're starting out, or perhaps you want to upgrade from a device with an onboard microphone, then the $12 lav mic from Boya is a must-have. This is the Boya BY-M1 lav mic. It retails for $12, with some retailers selling it at $10. It's practically in every electronics store, even online. So for those of you who don't know what a lav mic is, it's a small microphone that you can clip onto your top, inside or out, and then plug into your device, as you can see here. So the BY-M1 is suitable for smartphones, DSLR cameras, audio recorders, and PCs. It's an omnidirectional condenser mic, and I will leave the spec of the mic on the screen now. In the box, it includes a lapel clip for attaching it to your outfit, LR44 battery to power the module for those using cameras, a foam windscreen, and a quarter-inch adapter to plug it into speakers or public address systems. It comes with a 6-meter long cable out of the box. One end includes a 3.5mm jack, and the other end has the small microphone. In between is a power module that weighs around 18 grams and that is powered by a small LR44 battery, which allows you to switch the microphone power on and off for cameras or other devices requiring a powered mic. But for smartphones or devices that don't require a powered mic, simply keep it off, as you can see. The distance between the jack and the control or power module is about 4.5 meters, while the control to the microphone is about 1.5 meters. The control includes a clip, which means you can clip it onto your trousers quite easily, which is pretty good when you're out and about shooting. The microphone itself can be used without a clip, just in case you wanted to tape the mic to your chest, just like in the movies when someone goes undercover. Well, don't go out there and start snitching, huh? Instead, a clip is provided as an attachment, allowing you to clip the mic into it, then onto your top. Then there is also a foam windscreen provided if you want to use that to help reduce some external audio. And as for the performance, the BY-M1 works very well. It delivers very promising bass level for your audio recording. The audio is clear, it's crisp, the volume is good, and it picks up your voice very well. For those who like to edit their audio slightly in their videos, add in some bass, tweak it up a little bit, add in some juice, the M1's raw recording is good enough even if you don't want to edit the audio in your videos. In fact, I've been using the mic the whole video. Let's do a test to show the difference between using the BY-M1 lav mic and the onboard device mic. I'm using a smartphone to record this video.
Mic test 1 2. This is me using the onboard microphone of my smartphone. I mean, I'm not saying it's horrible, but you can hear the difference it makes if I'm using the BY-M1 lav mic from Boya.
Well, that's pretty much about the BY-M1 lav mic from Boya. If you find value in this video, please go ahead and hit the like button. Let me know what you think in the comments, and if you're new to the channel, please go ahead and subscribe. Until next time.